Hi, and welcome to yet another very exciting and interesting episode of Filmfare Middle East, the Power Chapter. And today we are talking to a really dynamic woman. And as we have a conversation, you will realize why I say that. She is the face and the name behind the brand Sahas. But that is not the only thing that she's known for. Now, the brand is very unique in itself, the jewelry brand, because, well, women across relate to it so easily. And but what makes Sahas so unique is Neeta Singh herself. And what makes Neeta Singh so unique is something that we will find out in our conversation today. Welcome, Neeta. To Filmfare Middle East.
Thank you, Akansha.
And
Nice meeting you.
yes, and it's so lovely to have you
Thank you.
because we have been, following your designs. We have been following Sahas, the brand, for so long.
Yeah, thank
But
you.
there is so much more to the brand. It's unique in so many different ways.
Yeah, that's right.
And it is largely to do with the person that you are, with what you bring to the table.
Yeah.
So let's start with that. Tell us more about Sahas and what is the fire behind creating a line which is so dynamic in itself.
Thank you, Akansha. You have really put me in such a beautiful word. Even I didn't think about that. Yeah, Sahas is courage. Yeah. And Sahas is a voice. Same way, Sahas is, for me, Sahas is your personality, your courage, your audacity to wear particular product that is created with intentions, that is created with a passion, with what the world is changing, with everything. So that is what is so close to me for Sahas, and I want everyone. It's this jewelry is not only for women, but is for everyone. This way. So that is all the Sahas behind that.
I think, Neeta, this is what also makes your brand so relatable to women, not just women, to men and women across, is because there are no people are not being boxed into something.
Yes.
If you have the courage to be what you are,
Yes.
then there
Yes.
is a statement piece that will tell your story through
Exactly.
your jewelry.
Exactly.
Isn't that?
Exactly. Because for me, like a jewelry is a mirror. It's a outside what you are wearing. When you get dressed, that is the last piece you wear and tell your statement what I am.
True.
So it's a inner mirror that you have put it outside of yourself. So that is what is Sahas. Not just a feminine, it's for all genders.
Lovely. And
Yeah.
I've seen the jewelry pieces, and each one of them is so beautiful and so unique that you
Yeah.
can almost figure the story behind it.
Yes. Yeah.
And but there's also something I noticed that there's a very strong, symbolism. There is a lot of spiritualism that seems to reflect in the pieces that you create.
Yes.
Does that come from you or where?
Yeah. So actually, this is actually being a healer. So there are so many modalities I have learned, and my like from a family, from a traditional family. So we have learned Ved and all those things. So from there, those knowledge, and then I gained the Western knowledge that all healings, all kind of healing, crystal healing, sound healing, NLP, hypno, all those modalities. After getting that, just trying to merge because East has the knowledge and West know how to put the knowledge together. So doing that, I thought, why not create a third thing? That is the jewelry. Because you are chanting mantra yourself, you are doing particular things, then why can't you bear a statement, what is inside feeling to the outside? So that's how this jewelry is all about.
Right. Neeta, I'm so fascinated by the person that you are. You are a mom, you ride bikes, and people, tend to, kind of stereotype things and people into, कि ये ऐसा है तो ऐसा ही होगा और वो ऐसी है तो वैसी ही होगी.
Yeah.
You have been doing everything, you're a healer. In short, let me just ask you, what is it that you do not do?
Do not do that. I have to ask my husband, I think, sometime. Um, Actually, I'm very blessed to have people surrounding me, either from my father, my husband, my kids, even my colleague, they all were always supportive. Like whatever I say, they say, yes, do it. So that is where I feel, oh, I can touch this also. Okay, let me do this. And they're always behind, oh, you thought it, and they believe in me. And their belief made me courage. So I think when I don't know what I don't do, I cook also. I will not say that I don't cook. Um, yeah, mostly I do. I party also. Yesterday I went with my girlfriends, had good party also. So, so yeah, like that's what we are born here for our life to have experience of everything, not leaving anything. So I am trying. I got my body from higher self. So let me experience. That's why I experience riding bike, falling from there, breaking my leg also. Anything like. It's fun to do whatever you want. That's is what your heart says, just keep
Right.
doing that. That's what I do. I don't do, I cannot say what I don't do. Really, you have to come and ask my husband.
But there's a message in there for all the women out, who will watching us
Yeah.
that, sometimes all you need to do is, just listen to what you want to do and then just take it forward.
Yeah, that's what. Like what you want to do, what your heart tells you, just do it. Don't, like what happens, we have been taught from the childhood that listen, don't do this, otherwise what people will say it. So when you open
Right.
your heart, you can do whatever you want in your life. You don't care. You love yourself, and once you love yourself, then only you can love other people. If you cannot love yourself, you cannot love other people. So, to women or a children, for a men, everybody I say, love yourself, open your heart, you will find a love, and just forget who are the people who will say something to you. You will do whatever you want.
Wow. You're redefining the narrative for through your jewelry again,
Yeah.
but also with the kind of person that you are.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
But tell
Thank you.
me, have you ever thought that, if there was one advice you'd want to give your younger self,
Yeah.
कभी सोचा है कि I wish I could go back and turn around things or maybe do something differently when you were younger?
Yeah, there are certain time like when I was younger, I wanted to be creative person, right? Wanted to do some filming or writing. That I didn't do because those days when I'm already 50 plus, so those days I was like, what you have to study, and I always studied for my parents, never studied for myself. I had to get my marks because my parents will see, and parents neighbor will see what how much Neeta got it. I
शर्मा जी
studied
की
for
बेटी.
them. हाँ वो सिंह साहब की बेटी थी, डॉक्टर सिंह साहब की बेटी. So from heart today I feel that I was an artist, like, and I used to love listening to my grandma story, and my grandma those days she was very educated woman, and when I see today it was not like I can say educated from the university, but very educated how she balanced a house. That's what I see in my mom.
Right.
So women are the pillar who knows how to balance the house, keep the relation. If you see our grandmas, they used to keep joint family together. And
True.
in joint family, you need sometimes sacrifice, sometimes authority. You need all kind of nine Durgas in that joint family.
True.
So those days, so sometimes I feel that I would have just followed my grandma. She was not university graduate, but she was very very highly educated person, I can say. She
Yeah,
had so many
the best
stories.
economists, imagine.
Yeah,
Think they're
they
running
were the
the
one best economist. Yeah, actually,
the
when
finances
the
too.
finance today also I say in every even company in corporates everywhere, finances should be handled by women because they are the best. If they can handle the finance of the house so well, they can handle. Why not corporate? Corporate
Of
is
course.
not having that soul. It is just one
One
you know
vertical.
yeah, where with your soul, where, body and mentally everything, you're working for home, and everybody has to be fed well, everybody has to be balanced well. So they were the greatest financial people in the world, I can say. And that time our economy was so less, but in
True.
that only they used to
They
feed
manage
all,
so
they managed so
beautifully.
beautifully, they taught their kids so well. Like my father did PhD in those days. So I feel like, yeah, we all lacked that part from our grandmother to learn because we were towards the material world. University, we have to do it, you know.
Professional courses.
Professional courses, real courses, we couldn't do it. Then now, with the age and with the experience, that I feel like yes, that little bit trying to take from her story or something. There are many stories from her where I create a jewelry because of her stories.
Wow.
So yeah, I will always say that when I go back, my younger age, I would love to sit with my grandma more and get her more of her knowledge, the practical knowledge more. That is
Wow.
what I miss. That.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah.
True. No, but coming back to and talking about the jewelry pieces, you're
Yeah.
talking about the creative process. We see a lot of, like I said earlier, there's a lot of symbolism involved in
Yes.
that,
Yes. Yeah.
and with the chakras, or like there's a recurring theme of
Yeah.
108, or
Yeah.
So you want to
39.
tell, yes, you want to
Yeah.
tell us a little more about that?
Yes, all the jewelries, especially because my platform is a designer's platform. So in designer platform, it is like we curate this, we see the designers. This is a good platform where from anywhere in the world they can come on this platform and
Create.
they get their share, and they mostly they are like people can see, and people like customer also want something different, they can buy from there. That is the platform. But as a designer, as me, as my experience as a spirituality and everything, so my designs are very much based on numbers, the cosmic themes. So like 39 piece, my solace, that was my first piece, and it was actually created for my friend. Like her, she came, we were all having a breakfast, and she said, Neeta, because I always do some drawing, always created my own jewelry because I never wanted, like, of course, sometime to be in society, you need to have some branded, but I never liked branded jewelry. I always wanted my personality to be,
To reflect
that is the
into
crown, that is your crown of your
Of
personality.
course.
So she said, Nita, my son is getting married. I want to give something to my,
Daughter.
the daughters, and because of there is some Indian ritual where you
Right,
give
right.
to the
Give,
sisters.
right,
So
right, right.
then I thought, okay, this marriage is such a thing where the balancing very important,
Correct.
right? If you see, we make astrology. It's not exactly astrology. It is how your chakra is matching. So chakra matching is very important. If your heart is open and if your husband heart is open, that is what is chakra is matching.
Right.
So according to the date of birth and the cosmic energy, those chakras you can make out that which chakra
So they
is
can be aligned.
we can be aligned together. So I thought, oh, this is a very good thing. And then I created Peace Solace. That is like 7 chakras. Center is the main crown chakra, and all
Right.
the 6 chakra. That has to be balanced. And this is in the 3 layers. 3 colors of gold is there in that. So that is all we all go through this tamas, rajas, and sattva. That is, and
Right.
5 elements. That is a 5 layers that has the 5 element of our body, and inside there is a lotus. If you see that piece, yeah.
Right.
So I didn't bring. I would have bought that. So inside there is a lotus. Then how you open up. So and then I thought, and then I made it 39 pieces. So 39 pieces,
Wow.
like three is for trident, like
Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh.
Brahma, Vishnu,
or-
Mahesh, you can say in a
or-
Vedic term, or you can say in a Western term like birth,
Birth,
living,
death,
and
then
recreation.
recreation. Okay.
That is not a good word. We can say as a recreation.
Recreation.
Recreation. So that is the three. That is three, and nine is all 9 planets. So according to the line pending in astrology, or in a Vedic, there is a 9 graha. They say the Sani graha and all. So without these alignment, it doesn't work. So all this alignment is needed. So that's how for the marriage, this came as a marriage first, and
Right.
then I thought, why not let the people also have it. And sometimes you have this knowledge within you. This doesn't help.
Till
So
you
you have
don't
to give
share.
so you have to give a voice. You have to tell. Many people don't know. So if I got that knowledge, why not to share? So that's how that solace piece was there. Then I have You and Me. That is a collection, Sun and Moon. So again, sun and moon. Sun is a masculine, which gives
Energy.
you energy, and emotion is moon.
Moon.
So sun and moon is also
Combination.
very important. So that is 108 pieces. So dimension of sun to the earth, and that much is the difference they take, that is 108 times. Or moon and the
Earth.
earth, the dimension is the
Right.
same and it takes that much time. So that is
Oh.
what it is, 108. So those are the pieces. With all the pieces, there is a different numerology is also set there.
So besides reflecting the personality of the wearer, there is a deeper spiritual
Yes.
connection to. So it's not just upar ka ki pehen liya.
No,
It's a
no.
very deep
That's
soul
what
connect.
that's what told you, that it's a
Uh-huh.
mirror. It's a mirror inside your soul, what you are putting it outside. And it is real with
Wow.
intention. It's like a crown, like what you are thinking from inside. Like my one of the pieces, Hocus Pocus, that is like with a, it is derived from Kashmir. I got that's a beautiful story because they say Shiva lives in Kashmir,
Ji,
Himalayan,
ji.
yeah. And there is a beautiful song by Kashmiris, yeah. They sing Hocus Pocus
Focus,
song,
focus.
yeah. So I got, it is a beautiful, because all the kids, they have to. Sometimes kids, they don't like to hear, all mantras or things, yeah.
Right.
So Hocus Pocus way their grandma taught them about Shiva's life.
Oh.
So I love that. And then this
So
mantra,
beautiful and
it's,
rich, na?
yeah, very
Like if you
rich.
were to actually see how much depth there is in our,
Yeah, yeah.
so much knowledge.
So we have a team who does research and read books. Their duty is only to read book. Of course, I cannot read that much. So they will come with some, that some small folklore. So those folklore will come, and then we will try to create a jewelry out of that. So my Sahas is full of artist, not just a painter. It's like a sculpture maker or a storyteller or any jewelers, whoever they think with out of box, they think something different. That is what is all Sahas about, and that is what people have a courage to do that and make a jewelry out of that.
No wonder so many people across just find themselves gravitating towards your jewelry pieces all the
Thank you.
time.
Thank you, Akansha. Thank you so much, really.
Yeah, but there's so much of thought that has gone behind it and
Yeah.
so much knowledge.
Yeah.
So I think, for anyone who's
It's a
looking at,
collective knowledge, I can say.
yeah.
It's not that, but yeah, everybody is in
So
my.
so it's in a way being rooted to the culture, being rooted to who you are,
Yes.
and yet wearing a piece which is such a statement in itself.
Yes, for me, like it is culture that is not just keeping it, but
Right.
it should pass on. The jewelry should not be like a statement of ego, like
Or wealth,
or wealth.
just like
Yeah, not,
heirloom piece है तो pass on हो गया.
yeah, not that. It is when, if you tell, for example, if you tell about this, my shooting star. So
Beautiful.
yeah, so shooting star, you will when you are giving to your daughter-in-law, like in past, you will have a story that this was created from Dubai culture, because
Right.
in Dubai the sand is like a gold, and they came from the pearl. The first business was Dubai
Pearl
came
fishing.
yeah,
Right.
fishing and pearl.
Right.
So this was like a, and of course the diamond represent the bling of Dubai, right? So this is how the culture we create, we think about it, and we make it. So today I thought I will wear my theme of Dubai.
No, this is beautiful. Okay, tell me something. If you had to kind of create, say, create some jewelry for any three, four people
Mm-hmm.
in history, living or dead,
Yeah, yeah.
who would they be and what would you want to create for them?
See, I would say Indira Gandhi,
Uh-huh.
the woman with substance. I really adore her. Woman with that authority. She is the woman in the men world. Those days men world
Very
were very. Now
fearless
we are
and
talking about feminism and all those things, right? Before those days it was not there.
true.
But imagine with so much of strong personality, and I just cannot imagine, like, she's wearing my jewelry, the statement, and she can that bold statement jewelry, and she's coming to the stage and talking about it or doing whatever she wanted. Like, she was the one people, like when I read her biography and everything, of course in politics people talk different, but as a woman,
Woman.
if you see her, like, yeah, every woman should be like that, very bold personality.
And
And
she was like that, very
yeah,
fearless
very
and her
fearless,
commanding personality.
commanding, because those days, like Jawaharlal Nehru, in the beginning, he felt that he doesn't have son. In a biography I read, and but she was more than son. If Jawaharlal Nehru would have seen later on, oh, my daughter Indra, what is she like? She would have also felt like, oh my God, you know. So,
Amazing.
so for me, of course, as a legend, and
What would you want to make for her?
for her, I want to make a big statement, like a very big statement, because she had a small bob-cat hair.
Right, right.
And if she wears, because her personality was a big statement personality, right?
Right.
So, like as a designer, people like a dress designer will say, "Ma'am, you are short. You are having a short hair. Wear
Keep
a small
something shorter.
piece. It will
No.
not." No, for
Bold
me,
and yeah.
very bold. And if
Something
she
that is
goes, her personality is with the jewelry. Like she's coming out with the jewelry. That I wanted, like a big, where she can have that in like a women
Right.
face,
Uh-huh.
and the national
Emblem or
emblem
something.
with that, and there it should be Satyamev Jayate. That I wanted to make for her. Yeah,
Amazing.
that I always wish that I had. And one more piece for my grandma. She is like, for me, the stories she has told me and the way she used to be, I would have loved to make, but not very grand statement, because she herself was so grand. So I wanted to make her subdued, because she. So I would have
So
made that
soft, gentle.
soft, gentle, because she used to wear. I remember she used to wear very big bowl, like a. Like in
Choker or
choker type, those days hustly they used to say.
Hustly. Yeah,
Hustly.
yeah.
So she used to wear that hustly, golden hustly here, and hustly on the leg,
Anklets, yeah,
anklets,
those
that
thick ones,
the thick
yes.
ones. So I want her that the thin one. So just opposite what they used to think
What
about
they-
their personality. So
Okay.
yeah, and for men, of course, I would have Brad Pitt. After seeing his movie, that Tibet movie, I fell in love with him. It was so good. And now I feel like, yes, he was the one, the way he struggled, went there. That movie is so inspiring. And I would love to. And then recently I saw his F1.
Oh.
Yeah. So in that he was wearing very, small kind of
Minimalistic,
jewelry.
yeah.
But if the director would have asked me what jewelry you will make him wear, I would have made him wear very strong, like diamonds, because he was at that age. He's fighting in a F1. He's fighting with a 21, 22-year old,
Right.
and
The
he's
young.
old. In that movie also,
Yes.
he's old. So he would have wore that real big diamond pieces, and he would have wore
Studs.
studs, big earring, not studs, that a dangling one.
Dangling ones.
So
Oh,
he's out
wow.
of box. That I want
Wow.
to make them wear something like that. Yeah,
Amazing.
out of box.
Yeah, like I would never have imagined this.
Yeah,
I,
just
I think that is why
imagine.
you are there, no? You're so good at doing what you do. Irrespective of whether it's Indian or Greek, they always had men wearing
Exactly. That's what I want
exquisite
to
pieces.
say. That's what I want to say. If you see the olden, very olden, even Maharajas, they used to get that. If all the
course.
courtiers and everyone, they got,
They were like all decked up,
all decked
head
up.
to toe.
Or if you go to foreign, they already had that. Even Egyptian culture.
Right.
They all wear, or you go to Greece, they all were wearing big jewelries. Mostly after the World War II, the jewelries vanished, and jewelry became only the
Women's domain.
women's. And women, as to keep, not as a statement, just
As
keep
an
it as
investment.
as an investment. That became, but I want to change that. No, it's not investment. It's a mirror image that you are showing what you are, and that's what is our history behind what they are. They were wearing that jewelry, like see Cleopatra. What a crown she used to wear, such a big jewelry. It's like
Right.
she was a bold personality. She, on those days, she never thought about having fear from anyone. Be a man, be a, that's what is the statement. That's what is a personality. Yeah.
Lovely. Okay, so tell me, how do you personally balance everything? You know, you're running such a successful business, you're a mom, coming back to,
Yeah.
and you have so many varied interests,
Yeah.
and, how do you find that balance to kind of stay so calm, so cheerful and vibrant?
When you do things from your heart and when you love it, I don't think there is any tension. So anything you do, like these all are my passion. It's not I'm going like getting up in the morning and thinking to go to office. No, it's like today, what is the story I am going to listen, or what is the story? That is the thing makes me come to office. That today somebody is
Let's see
going to
what are
tell
we
me
going to
what
do.
story is there. So that is things what drives me, and that is like a passion. And when somebody comes, like recently I had a fall from a bike and broke my leg, and I had an operation, and then somebody, Neeta, that's why I told you don't ride a bike. I said, listen, if you had fallen in a bathroom, you would have said I fell in a bathroom. Now you forgot how it happened. At least you were thinking I'm a hero and that's how I fall. So
Imagine.
so so that's what I'm saying. Like if you have passion for anything, nothing is like I'm balancing out. No, it's like it comes automatically, because everything is you're passionate about. If you're going to a friend, okay, this is my time with my friend. Okay, go and let's have a gossip, have some good fun, have good time, come back. Okay, today I'm going to hear a story. Okay, today I'm going to meet Aakanksha. Oh, new personality, why not? It's so nice to meet you. Like it's
Right,
so
right.
anything what you do from heart, I don't think is there you have to be balanced. It's just keep flowing. It keeps dancing. That's it.
What is the wildest thing that you have done which kind of surprised you yourself? Like, wow, I did something like that.
Ah, that I have to really think. Like I surprise
Too
every
many,
day for myself.
or too many things to choose from.
Yeah, actually. If you think I have surprised myself. Actually, I do. I love giving surprise than taking surprise myself.
Okay.
So for me, surprise was I am originally from Bihar, and in Bihar there is a tradition called Chhat Puja, and this is passed on from my mother-in-law. Like my mother-in-law gave it to me, so it is passed on like crown you pass on.
Right.
Same way, this is passed on to the eldest son's
Daughter.
daughter-in-law. So for me, that was a surprise because that day in that puja, you have to stay 3 day fast without water,
Ah, no, yeah.
and I could do it. And my mother-in-law
Wow.
was also not very sure that I'm going to do that. And that Chhat Puja I could. I'll invite you. It is a very very sacred puja where we. It's I can say it is a very old puja. It is done only all the elements. We pray
Right.
to sun, water, and
Right.
earth.
And last में वो पानी में जाके वो
Yeah, we
कर.
go in the water.
Yes.
So that is so there. That is the surprise that I've stayed 3 days without food and water. That was
Oh,
surprise for
wow.
myself that I could do it and
But
with the strength.
but you're very spiritual yourselves.
Yes, but like not eating
Not
was not
eating
my
is not a spiritual.
not, not eating was not there, but
Right,
this.
right, right.
And then of course that lotus starts opening, and that's how that I started that Devi Puja, and then it started opening to me all these place things.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see you have two deck of cards. Don't you
Yes.
tell me more about these?
Yeah, I do. Like there is a this is angel card, and I sometimes when I'm confused with myself, so then I have a Kali, so Yoni Shakti, that feminine energy, femininity. So if something is there, if you're thinking something, because I do tarot reading also, so
See,
just
there is, I told you, just tell us what you not do.
so now you can choose, and this will be like invoking your angel and choose for yourself what you want. She will answer you just now. And if there is some question, then Ma Kali will answer that
Will answer
answer.
it.
Yeah. Through the darkest night, let hope of your guarding star. Even when the path seems tedious, hold on your hope and never let go of it. Hope is your compass in the wilderness, and it can get you to the place you have never even dreamt of. So right now, I think you are going having
Wow.
something
I was I was so shocked.
and have patience. What you have dreamt, that is going to be very soon. But have patience, don't give up. Sometimes what happens when you're digging and you're digging for some gold and you're so tired and just 5 meter,
You
you just
stop.
leave and go back. That right now you're going through that 5 meter line. So
Uh-huh.
just wait and it will be done.
But this is what I needed to hear. This is so something that I needed to hear right now.
So I don't need Shakti wants to tell you, you got the answer from an angel only.
Wow.
So
But do you kind of meditate before
yes, yes. Before
or
that, I do. I invoke. Before sitting only, I thought, okay, let's have a nice chat. Let's have. So invoking is my. It
it
becomes
just come? It
inherent. Like after practicing all the time, I do my practice every day in the morning. Of course, I get calling sometime when I'm sleeping, and suddenly they will be like, Neeta, come get up, like that kind of calling. But people who don't experience, they will not get it. So yeah,
right.
this
It
is
it
the
comes with a lot of understanding of
yeah,
who
yeah,
your
who you are.
realization
Yeah, it's a
also.
meditation. It's all energy. It's a quantum energy, what comes in your mind. So yeah, it is.
Wow, but all this is so beautiful. And to be able to pour all of this into,
Jill.
find an outlet through jewelry.
Yeah.
I think you've kind of just brought everything, the universe,
Yeah, that is
you
the
putting.
intention. Yeah, intention is there. Now, the world is changing. You can see with how the world is changing. And I can say, like in 2000, if you have heard, in 2012, world was supposed to end, right? But then God said, come on, you guys are not ready. So let me show
See
you
the
how
way.
to be ready. Then what he did, he brought COVID.
COVID.
And suddenly everything was standstill. And for like months it was standstill. And if you see, many people have many stories after COVID, how they changed. Their life changed like anything. So many people have toxic relation, they left it, many things happened.
Right.
So how the world right now is shifting, and if we also think like how time flies, how the mother earth nature is also moving around, how the shifting. So these things are making us more spiritual, more towards energy. We are
Right.
understanding what is happening. So these are, I feel that this is the right time where we can educate people with the jewelry, with whatever knowledge we have. So
True.
that's how my jewelry also comes. That's why I find these kind of people who really resonate with this. So I bring them on my platform and have a
Right.
yeah,
But you're
Sahas.
also planning to have a more, I mean, you were talking earlier, you were telling me about bringing more spiritual,
Yes.
starting a platform
Yeah.
for them as well. You want
Yeah.
to tell us? Because I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people who need some kind of, like I said, this is just something that I needed to hear.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
I'm sure it'll benefit a lot of people.
yeah, I have started like Trikaya. Like Trikaya is all three.
Three.
Yeah. So this right now I'm doing like every full moon. If you have heard like, oh, today full moon, because full moon and new moon, mostly you will see people have either they will have blood pressure or very low mood because of the moon. So I have started this yeah, meditation kind of sound healing meditation online for
Okay.
free,
Okay.
just to give back to society. So wherever people can come and join, and I get really good, like I can show you after the podcast the message I get from them. So how the intentions are there and how it is happening, that is also validation for me actually. When they give me that message, I feel wow, somebody I touched. So when I felt that so much of, so many people are getting benefited or feeling touched, one person also if you
Right.
touch, and if the universe had given you that much of knowledge, why not share? So then I found many people, they also want that. So I created a platform that is Trikaya, and there I want the healers to come.
Ah.
And if they want to share, let them come. And of course, that's how I want. This is the first step. So we want to open our wings.
Expand and
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So anybody can come, anybody can go, like if they want to get their aura to be checked, we are there to check the aura or what is there, or psychologically also, relationship, or some people have a trauma of not having money. So what happens, like sometimes some people will, like some accident might have happened, and they will always have that soul is saying no, I don't need money. So there is some blockage that will not open for them. So we try to open and we try to talk. So that's how it opens up, and that energy is balanced and aligned. So this is Trikaya we are trying to open. Again, that is a platform for healer. This is a platform for artist, wearable arts. Yeah.
Amazing. But tell me something, okay? Like this is a little thoda hatke se, but tell me something when you see someone, a
Yeah.
guy or a girl wearing jewelry, do you kind of try to analyze कि इसका personality कैसा होगा based on
Yes.
the jewelry, or like by default वो एक setting हो जाती है कि इस like you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Do you do that? Hashtag you're being judged.
No, I will say, like not judge, but yeah, because sometimes you can, I will say sometimes it is wrong also, because after having these kind of knowledge and aura and everything, sometimes yes, it comes in my mind, oh, you are this, but why you are trying to copy someone else? That will come in my mind. Your personality is different, but why you are following some Hollywood
But
or
that is
Bollywood
something,
personality?
actually, that is something which could be like very something that will help the person,
Yes,
right? You're
it is
bringing.
like it is. That's what I said. Sahas. You always try to copy someone. Okay, but it's not that. You want to copy someone and impress someone. Like if I'm wearing, for example, some high branded jewelry, what to impress, right?
Right.
That, oh, I can buy
But
that.
is it kind of connecting to you in any way?
So no, so it is not connecting. I can make out that you just want to show that yeah, I am
Yeah,
able
I
to
have
buy
a
it. Yeah,
brand.
that's it. But your personality is different. Your personality is very bold. Why you have to wear that small? Because you can't. So you are wearing that small branded one. You are not that. You are very bold personality. Why don't you come up? What you are inside, come outside. That is what. So yeah, it comes sometime, but yeah, I have to keep quiet. But yeah, sometimes it does come in my mind, like,
Have you like seen any Bollywood actress who you would say that who has much more, but is very like keeps it low, and there's much more to that personality?
For example, I'll say like Zinat Aman right now. Wow. But she can wear the jewelries, my jewelry, she can wear it. And she will, I will say, even Rekha. Rekha can be more different. Her jewelries can be more, because she herself is a loud
Right.
personality, but I like her. But I would say Jinat Aman.
Zenith.
That's like, and her, all the stories and everything, when you see that, and then I say, wow, she's a lady of substance for me, because she has gone through a lot, and then you see her, the
Your
personality.
iconic pieces for an icon.
So yeah, for me, Gina Taman can wear my piece very elegantly, uh, as a old. And today, in fact, the girls are actually what they are not showing that. All the girls from inside they are different, and from outside they are different. They are right now just to impressing people. So I will not say for them what, because let them choose their path. Yeah, that is what I can say.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Neeta. It's been lovely talking to you.
Thanks, Akansha. Really, thank you so much.
And there's been so much more. I think you've been very inspiring, because people, especially women, always put themselves in the back seat. They always put their wishes, what they want, their desires.
At last,
So
yeah.
so it's good to say that no, it's good to go for what you want,
Yes.
and do it proudly, unapologetically, and
Yes.
just have the sahas to be you.
Yes, that's what.
you know
Don't wait for people to validate you. You validate yourself. First thing is love yourself. Then only you can give love. Sacrificing if you sacrifice without love, it is nothing.
Right. And I'm sure your stories through your jewelry are going to inspire and motivate so many more to just come out and embrace who they are and be proud.
Thank you, Akansha. Thank you for
Yeah.
this wishes.
Yes.
And I would love to see you again. And
Of
you
course.
yourself is such a beautiful personality. Very bold woman you are. So you need a bold, bold
A bold.
jewelries. Because yeah, you are. You are. From
Yes,
inside, you are very, very
I
bold.
will find my unique Sahas piece
Yeah,
very
you have
soon.
to. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank you,
much. Thank
Susia.
you.
Thank